pellet storage. I've noticed a couple times that my bag's just sitting out here, the pellets. There's little nibbles in the bottom of them. Something's eating on it. So I decided, just like my charcoal inside a plastic bin, it's time to do that with my pellets. Alright, well, I was going to go buy the Kingsford. That's what I was going to get. But before I went to Home Depot for that, I had to stop by Academy. But while I was there, you see the one next to it, Oklahoma Joe's. And there was like 5 different rows of them. They all said $16.99. I thought, well, that's way cheaper than the other one. Has a basket in it and a scoop. That's fantastic. I get out to check out and it was $39.99. I said, nope, put that back. I don't want it. I go to Home Depot. Before I get to that, let's look at this page here. You know, look at the prices on that. You know, you've got $19.99, $25.99, $17.99 for that plain one, $29.95, and the prices do go up. So when I was in Home Depot, it told me there was, I think, 11 left, and it tells you exactly where to go. I had that text to me. I went right there, empty. Empty. So I came up with an alternative that I knew would be cheaper. You're going to love this one. So I went and looked at the Home Depot bucket. That's right, $4.98. So I thought, okay, I'll do that. And the lid's a couple dollars, and then I came across this lid. Check that out. Check it out. And as you see, it's a 2-piece. So once you seal that, and I know it's $8.78. We're getting like $15 for this thing, but it's pretty awesome. So you put the seal on, and I tell you what, I had to put a piece of wood across there and hammer it, all messing around with it just to get that seal in there. Just show it to you. There's my bucket. There's the bucket. There's the lid. And then you just twirl this and get it in the right spot. You gotta put your tongue in the right spot. It comes off so easy. And you got your pellets safe in there away from the critters. That's right, but you see this little black ring stays on there. And you don't have to pry this up and down all the time. You just undo this and do it back. That's so. And check this out. I got another picture for you. Check this picture out. So this dude here, yeah, I know it gets expensive when you start buying more and more, but check it out. He's at this point, I just have one. I'm using Bear Mountain, a really nice blend. I haven't gotten into all this other stuff, but as you see, he's got some money in that. But think about it, if you just did a couple, this one here and there and stuff, pretty soon you're going to have a collection like that. And I just thought it was pretty cool. 15 bucks. It's cheaper than all the other stuff. And it seals up. It's kind of easy to use and got the handle on it and everything else. That's what I had for you today. Another video from Papa, Texas. Sometimes Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Hope it helped. See ya. I got one more thing to show you. Check this picture out. My new Crocs came in. My Texas flagged Crocs, Papa, Texas. Yeah.